Hello, and welcome to Financial Independence with Cicero. What are we doing here? Why are we gathered here today? Well, the answer is I wanted to do a series. And the series is not about me, it's about you. It's about moving from a place where you feel that things aren't really in your control and you feel you're being manipulated by other people and you can't really fully realize your dreams, to a place of ideally not only financial independence, but mental independence, where you don't have to second guess yourself. If you're new to this, well, hopefully this is going to give you a strong foundation on which you can build your principles. If you already have a bit of experience, I can only hope that you will take something out of what I'm going to say. And who knows, maybe I'm going to teach you something new. Now, this is something that should have probably been taught to you in high school, and maybe it wasn't. And I'm not going to be showing you something that's going to be a magic pill so that overnight, you're going to have financial success. And I'm not going to be one of those guys that, is going to show you my Lamborghini in my driveway that I probably rented for the day. And I'm one of those kids that paid YouTube to show this YouTube ad showing you how to get money and show you a method that I dreamt up with my entrepreneur friend, And it's not about me or, getting to be rich like anybody, It's not about comparing yourself. So this really is a signpost. And all the videos that I'm going to be doing about this really are signposts that are going to show you the right direction. And hopefully, maybe it's not going to be tomorrow, maybe it's not going to be next year, but eventually you'll have built something, an inland empire that you will be able to give to your family and maybe leave to your children later on. Actually, speaking about Lambos, first piece of advice, unless you're stinking rich, don't get a Lamborghini. And actually, cars in general, try to get something that's reliable, that's going to get you from place to place. But the wealth is not about that. And I would even go further and say that wealth is not about money. Wealth is the thing you can concentrate on when money is not an issue. Developing real relationships, real friendships with people, with your family, enjoying your time on earth. That's what real wealth is. And so many people are stuck in the rat race. They're always looking to get more money, looking to pay their bills. Sometimes they're really controlled by it. They're stressed out. They can't make ends meet at the end of the day. And it's not something you can change from day to day. As I said, you have to have these good foundations that you can build upon, because a house that has a rickety foundation is just going to crumple over time. No matter how much money you make, you will go bankrupt if you do not have a good foundation. Now, I'm going to talk a bit about myself. I've been working in the financial world for 6 to 7 years now. And I've learned a few things. I'm not all-knowing. However, I like to think that I know a few things. And I wasn't always like this. When I was in my early 20s, I was a very idealistic person. I still am an idealistic person. I want to change the world some type of way. But I didn't worry about money at that time. And I thought that everything would take care of itself. And all that mattered was for me to be happy, be around happy vibes all the time. And basically, if people aren't making me happy and feeling uncomfortable, then I don't want to be there. And it's kind of a skewed mentality because when you think of it, there is no growth that's possible if you're always feeling comfortable. Growth, by nature, should make you feel uncomfortable. And what I didn't realize at that time is that even though I wasn't thinking about money, I was putting a financial burden on other people that helped me along the way. And thank God I had my parents, because if I didn't have my parents, I would have spiraled down into the black hole, honestly. So thank you, mom and dad. Um, Thankfully, they got me through a certain period, and I started working in the domain that I started working in, and I started to realize the flip side of it. And I was always an unruly guy, about money. I thought that people that were rich were probably evil in some way, and I had all these notions when I was a kid. I know I'm not the only one, but you have to make this tool work for you and not against you. I'm gonna be showing different videos, you know, and about different topics that might be close and dear to my heart. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and follow me on your journey towards real financial development. I thank you, and I wish you a very good day. Goodbye, and don't forget to keep it disco.